I realize this is going to be a touchy subject for a lot of you, and I'm encouraging you not to jump into photography, especially if you haven't jumped in already. It is by far the worst idea I've ever had, and I mean that. Photography isn't a hobby, it's an addiction, it's a lifestyle. It's not the worst thing I've ever done. I've done worse things. The point of that is, there is this addiction to shooting that you will have that you've never had before. The second you pick up that first camera, you're gonna leave it, you're gonna look at it, you're gonna stare at it, you're gonna fixate on your new camera, you're gonna pick it up, you're gonna cradle it, you're gonna shoot, and it's not gonna be enough. You're gonna wanna look at that new camera that just came out 2 weeks from now. And the same goes for lenses, and the same goes for lighting equipment, and the same goes for camera bags and accessories and t-shirts. It's exhausting. It is quite literally turned into this obsession that at the end of the day doesn't go away. You'll spend hours, legitimately. I mean, those of you that are photographers, comment in the comment section. This actually happens. Hours, needlessly, looking at cameras and lenses that you don't need, nor do you really want. You just want to fix it because they sound interesting. And that's going to happen for the course of your duration of picking up those cameras and shooting. It never goes away. Save yourself now. Do not jump into photography. It is a scary place to be. Save it.